In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store's theme, ensuring your online store maintains a fresh look that aligns with your brand's identity. The process is straightforward, but let's walk through it carefully to help you understand each step and make the best choices for your store. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to the online store section and then click on the Themes tab. This is your launching pad for all things related to the look and feel of your store. Here, you'll see your current theme on display. Take a moment to appreciate what you've built so far before exploring new possibilities. To find a new theme, click on Visit Theme Store. Shopify offers a wide variety of themes, both free and paid, so take your time exploring. Consider the functionalities and aesthetics that will best serve your business. Perhaps you're looking for something sleek and modern, or maybe a more classic, straightforward design fits your brand better. Keep in mind the layout and features that will enhance your customers' shopping experience. Once you've found a theme you love, go ahead and click Add to Theme Library. This action will save your chosen theme in your Shopify account, ready for customization and deployment. But before you rush to publish it, let's take a crucial step. Preview the new theme within your store environment. This preview function allows you to see exactly how your content will look in the new setup. Consider things like how well your images are displayed, if your text is readable, and if your navigation is intuitive. This step is vital because it prevents surprises once the theme is live. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can confidently click that Publish button, making this new theme your live storefront. When you publish a new theme, rest assured your old theme doesn't disappear. It is safely archived in your theme library. You always have the option to revert back to it if you decide that the new look isn't quite right. However, remember that if you've made customizations to your previous theme, like specific color schemes, unique font choices, or layout tweaks, those might need to be redone if you switch back. It's also important to note that changing your theme does not affect your existing content like products and collections. They remain intact, allowing for a seamless transition for your customers. Finally, bear in mind that any changes with your theme may require some recustomization to match your brand's vision. Take your time to adjust colors, fonts, and layout options to create a visually appealing and functional experience for your customers. By following these steps, you're set to give your Shopify store a fresh new look that resonates with your audience. Enjoy your new theme and the new possibilities it creates for your online business.